Dolphin. Meet the dolphin, the ocean's most playful inhabitant. Known for their high intelligence and social skills, dolphins form complex relationships. They communicate using clicks, whistles, and body movements. Each dolphin has a unique whistle, like a name. Dolphins are also known for their acrobatic displays. They often leap out of the water, riding the ocean's waves. Their diet mainly consists of fish and squid. Dolphins have been known to work together in pods to catch their prey. In a world beneath the waves, dolphins are a testament to the marvels of marine life. Dive in and discover their world.